Welcome to the What Kind of Learner Are You workshop. By watching this presentation, you will not only learn about the different learning styles, you will also be able to identify your own learning style and how your learning style can help you to succeed in academics and your career. Learning styles are various approaches to learning. Why is a learning style important? By understanding your own learning style, you can use a method of studying that will help you to learn best. Every student takes in information differently. Some of us need to hear information, others need to see information, and some of us need to use the information. Some students even need to use a combination of learning methods. Knowing your learning style will help you understand how to study best, understand your strengths, understand your weaknesses, succeed in your classes, assist you in your career, and assist you with developing effective time management skills. Let's look at the different types of learning styles. We will start with visual learners. Visual learners are those students who need to see the information presented to learn it best. Visual learners are usually logical, analytical, can concentrate easily, tend to pay attention to detail, like to work alone on projects, enjoy puzzles. Visual learners typically learn best by studying pictures, maps, charts, and other diagrams. Is this your learning style? Another type of learning style is kinesthetic. Kinesthetic learners are those students who need to do an activity to learn best. These learners typically are imaginative, inventive, intuitive. They need to move, do, and touch as they are studying. Kinesthetic learners enjoy hands-on activities. Is this your learning style? The third learning style is called auditory. Students who are auditory learners best learn and study when hearing or listening to information. Auditory learners understand problems and ideas in context, learn best through conversations or lectures. Auditory learners tend to be persuasive and are able to present their views easily. They also have a good memory. Is this your learning style? Now that you know the differences between the learning styles, you need to think about which learning style you are. Remember, some of us learn through more than one style. Once you have identified your learning style, then you can adjust your study and work habits to be the most productive. To help you discover which learning style you are, we're going to look at how your classes should be structured and the way you already study for your courses. Visual learners are able to concentrate easily while studying. They prefer to have their lectures in an organized format and like exams that are short answer or multiple choice exams. Visual learners typically organize their class notes as an outline, will read material over and over again, and would prefer to study charts, graphs, or diagrams. Is this your learning style? Think about what type of exams you prefer and how you organize your notes. If this is your learning style, be sure to organize your notes in outline style and study diagrams when reading your textbooks. Kinesthetic learners are easily distracted while studying. They prefer professors draw diagrams on the board to present the material. Students who are kinesthetic learners also prefer essay exams that allow them to draw their own conclusions. Kinesthetic learners should organize their class notes with pictures, graphs, charts, or maps. Sometimes you will need to write material over and over again to learn it. Is this your learning style? Think about how you study and how you prefer your exams. If this is your learning style, be sure to organize your class notes with maps or other diagrams. You may want to rewrite class notes after class ends and use multiple colors or highlighters. Auditory learners work best in study groups. They prefer classes where the majority of class time is spent on classroom discussions. Students who are auditory learners prefer exams that use open-ended essay questions and like to use tape recorders. Auditory learners will need to say material over and over again to learn it best. Is this your learning style? Do you like to study in groups? Do you learn best by tape recording lectures and then listening to the material again later? If this is your learning style, be sure to participate in class discussions and join a study group. You may want to read your textbooks out loud and ask your instructors if you can tape record their lectures. Now that we understand the three learning styles and which method we learn best from, let's take a look at how we can use your learning style to your advantage. The following slides will outline how you can be more successful in your courses. For example, as a visual learner, you should underline or highlight the main ideas in your textbook and notes. You should use flashcards for memorizing terms or facts and create charts or graphs. When selecting courses, try to pick classes with well-organized instructors and make sure to utilize all study guides and handouts. Kinesthetic learners learn best when engaging in note-taking while listening to class lectures. When studying, translate the concepts into maps, diagrams, or action pictures. You can act out ideas. And try to pick courses with instructors who also like to use diagrams and illustrations. Auditory learners learn best when they tape record lectures or class discussions. When reviewing concepts in your textbook or notes, read the text out loud. Utilize a classmate to recite information to, and then listen to your classmate recite information to you. When selecting courses, try to pick classes that will have class discussions and take advantage of your professor's office hours to ask questions and clarify information. Remember to use the study strategies outlined above to help you be more successful in your courses. Learning styles are often closely related to the careers we select. You may enjoy a career more if it is related to your learning style because you will be more comfortable with the way you take in information and perform the job responsibilities. Here are some careers that are related to each learning style. For visual learners, navigators, sculptors, architects, interior designers, engineers, and accountants are popular careers. Kinesthetic learners may enjoy careers in journalism, teaching, politics, acting, or other performing arts. Kinesthetic learners may also enjoy being an attorney, translator, an athlete, counselor, or firefighter. For auditory learners, musicians, singers, researchers, and philosophers are popular careers. Remember, these popular careers are just examples, and you are not limited to those that are listed. For more information and to explore further into these careers or discover others, please visit the Career Center or a counselor. At this point, you may be asking, what should I do with all this information? Remember some of the study strategies we discussed earlier to help you be more successful in your courses. Visit your instructors in their office hours to talk about your learning style and their recommendations for the type of course you are currently in. You should visit a counselor to explore careers and other ways you can capitalize on your learning style. If you're interested in doing more career exploration, you may want to consider taking a career inventory such as the MBTI or Strong Interest Inventory. Both career inventories will provide more insight into your learning and work styles and will give you a better idea of the career options that will best fit you. Thank you for viewing this presentation on learning styles.